Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch.
We've been building very rectangular boxes so far, but sometimes sharp corners feel a bit too mechanical. Today, we're looking at how to soften the edges, how to use border radius to create everything from slightly rounded cards to perfect circles. Rounding corners is purely visual, but it changes the entire feel of a UI. Glitch, let's start with a standard block.
One standard block, sharp, efficient 90-degree angles. The way geometry was intended. I'll drop it in. And the styles to give it some substance.
Now, let's take the edge off. Use border radius.
Border radius, softening the perimeter. The corners are softening. It looks less like a circuit board and more like a consumer product. It's approachable. I suppose that's a desirable trait for things humans have to interact with.
We can also round corners individually. Try setting the top left and bottom right to 50 pixels and the others to 0.
Asymmetrical rounding, 2 values for diagonal corners. A leaf shape, asymmetrical curvature, a biological aesthetic, very deceptive dev. It hides its mechanical nature behind a more organic silhouette.
And we can create elliptical curves by using a slash in the shorthand. The first number is horizontal, the second is vertical.
Elliptical rounding, a pill shape. Non-uniform curves, a complex geometric transformation. It looks like a pill or a capsule, useful for containing small, highly concentrated datasets.
Finally, the most popular use case, circles. Set the border radius to 50%.
50% rounding, attempting perfect symmetry. Wait, it's an oval. Why is it an oval? I was promised a circle.
Percentages are based on the dimensions of the box. Our box is 300 by 200. To get a circle, the width and height have to be identical.
Squaring the dimensions to 200 pixels. A perfect circle, total symmetry. No corners left for things to get caught in. Maximum efficiency for center-aligned information. It's beautiful, dev, in a terrifyingly precise sort of way.
Try making a profile picture frame by rounding the corners of an image. Try making a button with fully rounded ends. Experiment with different percentages to see how they affect the curve. Don't just watch it, do it.